What's your favorite part of Spirit Camp this year?
My favorite part of Spirit Camp was probably doing the chakras.
Chakras? And for those of us who are watching this video that don't know much about chakras, what did you do with them?
So basically what you did was you could make a pendulum, and you needed like chakra stones, and then you could ask your pendulum what yes and no would look like. Once you got your answer, then you could let somebody lay on the floor and you could check their chakras, and if they weren't open, then you could just put one of the stones on it, and when you come back, it might be different.
Beautiful. Thank you for sharing.